Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to another video tutorial on how to download Instagram Reels. Alright, so let's get started. First, tap on Instagram app, and once your Instagram app is loaded, this is your feed. So next, right on the bottom area, you will see different sections like home, search icon, Reels icon. I want to tap on Reels icon right here. Tap here. Now you will see a bunch of Reels video. You can pick any one of this Reels video if you like. Suppose I like this one, so I'm gonna tap on these three dots right here. Next, tap on copy link. So the link is copied now. So next I want you to go back to your home screen. Now you have to tap on any web browser on your phone. You can use Google Chrome or any phone browser. I'm just gonna go use Chrome. So open it, tap on here. Now I want you to make search by typing Instagram Reels video download online. Tap here, and now once you made the search, you will see different website that will come up on your screen. You can pick any one of this website. I'm just gonna go ahead and pick instavideosafe.net. Tap here. Now next, tap on this section right here. Tap and hold it for a while. Next, tap on paste. Next, tap on download. It says please wait getting file. Now wait for a while. Tap on download video. Tap on download video. Now wait for a while again. The video is being downloaded in the background. Wait for a while, or else you can tap on these three dots right here and tap on download again. It's gonna take like a minute or so if your internet is good. So next, tap on open. So now you will see that this is the same Reels video that you wanted to download.
I don't bring bad luck. Your life was already shit.
Alright, so guys, this is how we do it. This is how you download Reels video on your phone gallery. I hope guys this video helps for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.